How you doing? I'm Carlos Duran. I'm sales manager at TECHCO. You've seen a lot of our facility functions from the fabrication to the manufacturing, the installation. There's one key feature that I left out, and that's our SLS machine, and that I want to give you John Sproul. But first I want to give you a little bit of history about John Sproul. He's VP of Engineering. He has over 10 years of engineering, calibration, certification behind him on all Saline platforms from the S7 all the way down to the 351 and everything in between. So with that, I want to hand you off to John Sproul, and he's going to talk to you about the SLS machine, which is basically an engineering Disneyland, if I say so myself. So here's John.
Thanks, Carlos. This is our SLS machine. It's one of the new technologies we have in-house. The SLS machine actually makes laser-sintered products that are plastic-based. The product actually simulates a nylon 11. That material allows us the flexibility of being able to run it in a vehicle and do all the design fitment we want to do. The benefits of having the SLS machine are it's quick turnaround. We can produce a part from a CAD model within 10 to 24 hours. We also have one of the largest SLS machines on the West Coast, so we can build something as large as a 17-inch volume in the Z direction here. So from an engineering standpoint, the benefits are quick product development, and we also get a lot of design iterations we can prove out before we ever actually go to production for a product. So for example, in our runners design that we're doing for the superchargers, we can actually do different sections for each design iteration, go to the flow bench, maximize the airflow efficiencies, and then come up with the actual best product before we even tool it up. So we don't spend the extra money for castings and making the wrong dies. We actually have the product verified from a flow standpoint, and then we actually do the testing on the car. So from an engineering standpoint, we want to accomplish three ultimate goals before we put anything into production. That's validating form, fit, and function of a product. With the SLS machine, because the plastic material that it produces simulates a nylon 11, it's actually rigid enough that we can run this on a vehicle. We'll run this on an engine dyno, and then we'll verify it on the vehicle. So we'll have all of those steps to check out the product before we actually go to production. So then the final product is ready to go. Another example of an inlet tube that we designed with SLS. Sometimes we'll do sections, so we'll keep changing out different areas. We'll go to different flow regions to make sure that each section is optimized for the best flow. We're in a performance market, so absolutely horsepower is our goal. So anytime we can maximize the efficiencies of a product design, we're maximizing horsepower. So that's our ultimate goal.